你好，我是姜老师。我是姜老师。Today we are going to review Lesson 2, Family Members. But before that, I want to recap with you Lesson 1. I have made a PowerPoint presentation, so hopefully you could better understand what is reading Chinese about. So I'm going to pull up a PowerPoint for lesson 1. Okay, so what I mean by reading Chinese, you are reading Chinese character. So when you see this character on the screen, can you say it and know its English meaning? So you need to be able to do that eventually, okay? So this is 我, and 我 means I. So by looking at a character, you need to remember two things. First, you need to recognize what the character looks like. Second, you need to remember how to say it. And the third, you need to remember the English meaning. Okay? So, okay, next word. So this is next word you should know too. Think about it first. If you do not remember, you still need to review lesson 1. Okay, so this is 你, okay? And 你 means you. So, guys, do you know what I mean by now? This is reading Chinese, okay, or writing Chinese. You eventually have to learn how to read and write character only. Okay? All right, next word. Do you know how to say this word and the English meaning? Okay, so this is how. It means good. Okay? Next one. Oh, you should know how to say this. Do you remember how to say it and the English meaning? If not, you still need to review lesson 1. This is 你好, and it means hello. But word by word meaning is saying you good. Okay, so when you are saying hello for Chinese people, you are telling them you wish you were good. Okay? Mm-hmm. All right, next word. Oh, so we just see this, or we just reviewed this character earlier. Do you remember what is this? But now you say you see 2 more character. So 2 more character looks the same. So of course, you will say it the same way. Remember, each character has a sound. So when you see 3 characters, that means you have to pronounce 3 words. So this is 谢谢你 and it means thank you. Okay? All right, guys. All right, next. Do you remember this? I know you know it, but you can't read it just yet, maybe. This is 再见. So now you know it means goodbye. However, the word by word meaning is again. See, okay? So for Chinese people, they are telling you see you again. That means you are leaving, right? So in a way, they don't really say goodbye to you. They say hope to see you again. So that's goodbye. Okay? So 再见. Alrighty. So let's get back to our lesson. So that's what I mean by reading and writing Chinese. Eventually, you need to just reading Chinese character, but you have to remember how to say it and English meaning. So when you write, it's the same way. When you learn how to write, you need to know how to say them and know the English meaning. Okay? So now we are going to review lesson 2. Our favorite lesson is all about our family. Okay? Let me pull out the lesson 2 vocabulary sheet for you. Okay, so please say it with me. Again, we already see this sheet for 6 weeks. Remember, each lesson we spend 6 weeks on it. But you remember how to say them and English meaning, but you probably wasn't paying attention to the character. Okay, so again, I need you to pay extra attention. Not only you need to read character, but you need to remember how to say it and the English meaning. All right, let's say it with me. 爸爸，爸爸，爸爸. So that's dad. Next one. 妈妈，妈妈, mom. Next one. 哥哥，哥哥，哥哥, older brother. 姐姐，姐姐，姐姐, older sister. 弟弟，弟弟，弟弟, younger brother. 妹妹，妹妹，妹妹, younger sister. 爷爷，爷爷，爷爷. That's grandpa, father's dad. 奶奶，奶奶，奶奶. That's granny, father's mother. Next one. 外公，外公，外公. That's grandpa from mother's side, mother's dad. Next one. 外婆，外婆，外婆. That's granny from mother's side, mother's mom. Okay, so we didn't get to the other family member because I want you to just remember the main family member. Okay? All right, but we also learned about possessive. Remember the last lesson we learned about 我 means I, right? 你 means you, right? So every time if you put the behind the pronoun, it becomes possessive. So 我的 becomes mine, okay? And 你的 it become your. So the same thing go with he and she. Okay? Guys, he is 他, she is also 他. So you tell me, oh, but they sound the same. That's correct. But if you look at the character, he and she is two different characters. Okay? So they are different. Even though you pronounce the same way, but it's different. He, this ta here, it means he. This ta here, it means she. Okay? All right. So 他的 is can be his or her. Okay? All right. So we're going to briefly talk about plural as well because it's also related to pronoun. So remember we just talked about 我 means I. So when you put the behind it, it becomes possessive. 我的 become mine. But if you look at here, if you put 们 behind the pronoun, 我们, that become plural. It become we. Okay? So same thing goes for you, 你. By itself, it means you. So when you say 你们, that become you guys, right? Also means you, more than one of you, 你们. Okay? So same thing go with 他 and 他们. That means there's a group of boys, you say 他们. Okay? And if you look at this character 他, and then you say 他们, that become them, a group of girls. Okay? All right, so we also learn how to say I love my family member. So we're going to say it slowly. 我爱我的爸爸. So look at here, it's a word by word meaning, right? 我爱我的爸爸. 我爱我的爸爸. All right, so let's say it with every family member. Say, I love my dad, I love my mom. Okay, so let's go back to say it to everybody. 我爱我的爸爸. 我爱我的爸爸. I love my dad, right? Next one. 我爱我的妈妈. 我爱我的妈妈. So that's I love my mom. Okay, so how will you say I love my older brother? Think about it first. Yes. 我爱我的哥哥. Mm-hmm. 我爱 我的哥哥. Very good. Next one. How will you say I love my older sister? 我爱我的姐姐。我爱我的姐姐。Next one. How will you say I love my younger brother? Try it. Good. 我爱我的弟弟。我爱我的弟弟。Excellent job. How will you say I love my younger sister? Try it. Mm-hmm. 我爱我的妹妹。我爱我的妹妹。Very good. How do you say I love my grandpa? Daddy said. 我爱我的爷爷。我爱我的爷爷。Very good. Next one. How will you say I love my granny? Father's mother. 我爱我的奶奶。我爱我的奶奶。Very good. Next one. How will you say I love my grandpa? Father's dad. 我爱我的外公。See right here, 外公 is mother's dad. 我爱我的外公。Next one. 我爱我的外婆。Very good. 我爱我的外婆。Excellent work. So guys, I know that's a lot of information and maybe I went through it really fast, but we did spend 6 weeks on this lesson. So I'm assuming you probably feel very familiar about this lesson already. So this is kind of quick. Okay, so this lesson we are including possessive. Mine, 我的 yours, 你的 right? All right, so let's take a break. Let's see if we wanted to do the song together. I love my family member. Okay, you can sing it out loud. I love my family. I love myself. 我爱我自己. One more time, sing it. Very good, guys. All right. So let's get back to our lesson again. So I did Any questions? So let's see if you remember all the family member. How do you say older brother? Let me hear you. Good. 哥哥。很好，很好。Very good. All right. How do you say younger sister? Quiet. Oops, you forgot. Younger sister. 妹妹，妹妹。Good job. How do you say older sister? Yes. 姐姐. Good. Okay. How do you say grandpa from daddy's side? So it's father's dad. Good. 爷爷，爷爷，非常好。Next one. How do you say mommy's dad? That's also grandpa. 外公，外公，很好。Okay, so guys, that was excellent, but please don't forget, I'm going to try to walk through with you about reading the character. Okay, so let me pull out lesson 2. Yes. All right. So I had made this PowerPoint. All right. Yeah. Do you remember which family member is this? Maybe you still have it in mind. We just look at the vocabulary sheet. Did you try it? Okay, let's see. This is 爸爸. So after you see the pinyin right here, you know what's that mean, right? It is dad. Okay? All right. Next one. Do you know who is this? This is reading Chinese. Do you know which family member is this one? Okay, this is Mama. And it is mom. Okay, excellent. Next one. How about this? Do you remember who is this? Look at this interesting. It looks like a bunk bed. And each bunk bed has a pillow. So, who is that? It is 哥哥. Mm-hmm. 哥哥 means older brother. Yeah. So try, you just have to try. It's very challenging, I know, reading in Chinese, right? Remember, pinyin is not Chinese. It's just helping you to say the character. Okay? All right. Next one. Do you remember who is this? No? Okay. Now, if I put pinyin in it, you probably would know who it is. 姐姐. That's 姐姐 right here. 姐姐 means older sister. Okay. Next one. Who is this? Which family member is this? See, you have a 2 antenna on the top. This is, oh, so now you know who that is. It is 弟弟. And 弟弟 means younger brother. Okay? All right. Next one. Do you remember who is this? No? Okay, it's okay. All right. So this is, there you go. So you know who that is. That's Mei Mei. That's younger sister. It's okay. Mei Mei. Okay? All right, next one. Hopefully you remember this word. What's this? Uh-huh. 我的. Yeah. So now you know what that means, hopefully. We just reviewed it once. It is mine, right? All right, next one. How about this one? You see a familiar character from last time. So two character, two sounds. 你的, that means your. Okay? Yes. Okay, next one. Oh, so this is a combination. Hopefully you remember which family member it is and what it tried to say. So you see 4 characters here. So you're supposed to say 4 sounds. Okay? So let's see what this means. You know what this is. If as soon as I say it, you probably will understand, right? 我的爸爸. That means my dad. 我的爸爸. Okay? All right, how about this one? Do you remember? What family member is it? And there's a the right here, right? But that is not 我 anymore. Yes, good. You'll notice it's, yes, 你的妈妈. 你的妈妈. It means your mom. What is this word? This word is very important. You should remember it. You don't remember, it's okay. It's, now you know how to say it. You forgot, right? This is a hard. How do you say love? It's I. Yes. And it means love. Okay. So we're going to put it in a sentence now. Remember, we just review how to say, I love my father. I love my mother, right? So let's try it. Wow, it's a long sentences. Remember, same character, you say it the same way. So, try it. If you don't remember, it's okay. As soon as I pull out the pinyin, you will remember. 我爱我的爸爸。我爱我的爸爸. I love my dad. That's right. Excellent work. Okay. All right. How about this one? You want to try? That means and a family member. Maybe you got it right. Let's see. 你爱你的妈妈。嗯哼，你爱你的妈妈。That means what? Figure it out. Yes. That means you love your mom. Okay. All right. Excellent. What do you think? Hmm? Is it a little bit challenging? So remember, you have to always practice, okay? Maybe you should spend 10 to 20 minutes just to review the same lessons. Eventually, you will get it, okay? It just takes practice. That's all. Okay? So now we're gonna finish up this lesson, and I will have a quiz up for you. It's due on Friday. Okay? All right. 再见，再见。